Hey, this is JP, founder of Lean Wisdom. Let's look at what do we cover in POPM, Safe Product Owner and Product Manager workshop. Yeah. So as the title says, as the certification, the workshop title says, this is for product owners and product managers. This is a two-day workshop for product owners and product managers, and we cover a lot in detail about what a product owner should do and a product manager should do in a scaled agile environment. Yeah. So what do we cover as a scope of this course is one is SAFE is all about lean and agile principles. It is built of lean, agile and DevOps. Right? The best practice of lean, the best practice of agile and best practice of DevOps have been borrowed and then it's put in beautifully stitched in a wonderful framework. So in this workshop, we actually go a little more deep on what is lean agile mindset mean? What are the lean agile principles that are connected with product owners and product managers? There are a good number of principles that are very connected with the role of a product manager and product owner. So we go in length on those principles, and for example, value delivery. One of the important aspects of SAFE is business agility. Right? We address agility as a business agility, not as a team agility. Right? So how do you, as a business, how do you deliver value, as an organization, how do you deliver value to business much more faster? Productivity is predominantly measured based on business expectations, right? So productivity should not be measured as a utilization, it should be measured as what is it business expects. So we address about that. So we go in length about lean principles, we go deep on agile principles connected to product owners and product managers. Yeah, and we also, in this course, we go deep on what is EPIC, a definition of EPIC in SAFE, and what's the definition of feature in SAFE, and how do you break an EPIC into features, how do you break features into user stories, and how do you enable your teams, your engineering teams, to build that faster so that you get some value in a shortest time. Right? The sustainably shortest lead time is something that we address a lot in SAFE. So we will talk about that. How do you sustainably release a feature in a very short time, right? And that's very critical for a product owner and product manager. Yeah. So, and we'll talk about backlog. How do you manage backlog in SAFE? What is the backlog management in terms of program backlog? How do you manage backlog in terms of a team backlog? How do they connect with each other? Right, and so on. So we will go, right, we will cover that also in this today's workshop. And what's the role of a product owner and product manager in a PI planning, in a PI execution? Right? PI planning is one of the very critical key events in a SAFE or team planning and in the entire execution. So what is that a product owner and product manager should do ahead of planning, during the planning, and post planning, which is during your execution? Right? What's the role? Right? And what is it a product owner and product manager can expect from the teams in these three phases, right? From the teams. So that is also addressed to a large extent, right? How do you, as a product owner, product manager, can enable a continuous delivery pipeline, right? Having a WIP limit, work in progress limit, to a very small number, and having and implementing that in a continuous delivery pipeline is going to help the customer get the feature much faster, right? How do you enable your organization to move towards CD pipeline? So all of these are covered in detail, and you will know, if you attend this workshop, you will know what's the role of a PO in a Scrum versus what's the role of a PO in a SAFE environment. SAFE product owner's responsibility is different from Scrum product owner's responsibility. There is a difference, and we will address that. Right? And what's the relationship between product owner and product manager? Because there is a new role called product manager in SAFE. Right? What's the relationship between these two? Right? All these are addressed in 2 days. So who can attend? Obviously product managers and product owners, for sure, because that directly, if you're a product owner or a product manager, it directly suits you because that's directly connected with your role. Yeah. Who else can attend? RTE, if you are a release trained engineer or if you are a change agent and you want to transform your organization, now it's good for you to understand what a product owner and product manager should do so that you can actually mentor and coach them effectively. If you are a business analyst and if you want to move towards a product management career, and you're looking at that, and this is a good opportunity to learn and see how you can shift your career from business analyst to a product owner in SAFe and then later to a product manager role. Yeah, that's one more. If you are a program manager interested in product management side, if you are a engineering manager interested in knowing about product management side, product ownership side, you want to look at career shift, that's a good opportunity, right? For you to sit here and learn something deep about role of a product owner and product manager in this 2 days workshop. What is a prerequisite for this, for you to attend this workshop? Number one, this is all about scaling agile, right? We are going to scale agility, right? So what does it mean? Having a good knowledge about agile, right? The basic concepts of agile, right? And experience, if you have some good experience in agile, that will definitely be a good add-on, because there are a lot of concepts that we cover, you'll be able to relate. Oh yeah, this is what is agile product owner means, and this is what is a SAFe role, right? So you will be able to compare. If you have a little bit of experience in Scrum by being part of the team or playing a different role in Scrum, that will also help, and even SAFe, right? Even a bit of experience in SAFe will help. Okay. If you are a SAFe Agilist certified, already you are a SAFe Agilist certified, definitely it will be an added advantage, because the foundation would have been very, very strong for you, and now you are learning. Now I'm a SAFe Agilist, I'm a leader who is a lean agile leader. Now how do I put some of these concepts much more deeper in a POPM role? Yeah, that will help you. Okay, by attending this, what do you get? Right? You need to get some benefit out of this, right? Number one, definitely knowledge, right? Through our experience sharing, right? For sure. Number two, you will get a certificate called, you are a certified SAFe POPM, right? A product owner and product manager, right? And this is valid for 1 year. And you also get an access to, 1 year, you get a 1 year membership, to a SAFe community where you can collaborate with many other product owners, product managers, and you can learn from them and you can share your experience and so on. It's a very, very powerful platform where you can exchange your ideas and you can learn a lot from your other product owners and product managers. Yeah, so that's one thing. And there is a lot of learning resource that SAFe has, that as a product owner you can actually go watch the videos, right? It is by SAFe fellows, by Dean Leffingwell himself has recorded some good videos. So you have a great opportunity to learn from the best leaders in the industry, right? So all this is part of your 1 year membership that you get. Let's look at why you should choose Lean Wisdom. Right. I'm the founder of Lean Wisdom. Why we should choose Lean Wisdom? The first reason is Lean Wisdom is not a training only focused company. We are practitioners, including me. I'm a practitioner. I'm a consultant. I do a lot of agile and SAFe implementation. So when you come to our workshop, what you get to hear is not only the concepts like what is SAFe and what is agile, but we also get to learn sharing of our experience, right? I'm going to come and share with you, hey, this is what I did and it worked for me, and this is what SAFe says, and this is what I practiced, and this is the result that I've seen in one of my clients here, in one of my clients there. And there's a lot of success stories and learnings that we are going to share it, so that you learn from our experience. Our objective is not to enable you to just a certification, but we make sure that end of 2 days when you go, you have a bundle of knowledge, a lot of knowledge that you can go and start practicing immediately in your office. Yeah, so so we are not trainers, we are practitioners. We come and train you. Okay, I share our experience. Yeah, and we want to continue to collaborate with you. 2 days course is done. After 2 days, you have some questions, some queries, you want to connect with us, and if you want to talk to me, I'm more than happy to connect with you, right? We can, and we'll take your specific problem and we'll see how I can contribute to your, to give a solution for you. So we continue to collaborate for sure. Most of my past participants are connected with me, and we share our experience, right? I help them in fixing some of their ground problems on their safe implementation. Yeah. And we also have an online community where all of our past students are connected, and we can actually exchange our ideas. Right? You are going to be part of our community, and you can learn and share with each other. You can learn from others, and you can share your knowledge to others. So that there's a lot of big community. We have around 2,000 people who have gone through our trainings, and you're going to be connected with this big crowd, right? So that you can learn and share from each other. Yeah. And all our future events, for example, we do very frequent webinars. We release videos on average once or twice a week, or probably once a week at least. We want to release videos. So we have many more courses that we launch, right? Short courses. We're coming up with the video-based courses and so on. So you will get an access to all of this, right? You'll be the person to get a message about our webinars. You'll definitely get all our videos and so on, because you're already registered with us. Yeah. So being part of our Lean Wisdom, you will get all the advantages. First one is for sure good knowledge sharing, and you are connected with us throughout after that in all our knowledge sharing. Yeah, in our online courses, in our webinars and videos and so on. Thank you.